In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Shopify store in just 3 minutes. This process is straightforward and will give your store that professional touch it deserves. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your store's homepage on Shopify. This is where you'll manage all your store's essentials, so keep this page handy. Now that you're here, go ahead and locate the Settings option. This is usually found on the sidebar of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up a range of options that you can adjust to suit your store's needs. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for General and click on it. The General settings contain various options related to your store's fundamental settings. As you peruse these options, you'll see a section labeled Manage. Click on Manage so you can proceed to the next important step, adding your logo. In this section, look for an option that says Add a default logo. Click on it to start the process of uploading your logo. Here you can browse through your computer files and select the image you want to use as your logo. Choose a high-quality image that accurately reflects the essence of your brand. Once you've selected the image, follow through by clicking on Done. This ensures that Shopify recognizes the image as your chosen logo. After selecting your logo, remember to save your changes. Click Save to ensure that all your progress is stored. Now, let's move on to the final steps of integrating your logo into your store theme. Return to the Shopify homepage and locate the Online Store section. Once there, find the option titled Customize. Click on Customize to enter your theme editor. This is where you can visually modify how your store looks. Inside the theme editor, you'll want to focus on the Settings area. Click on it to reveal additional customization options. Look out for Logo and select it. This step is crucial for making sure your newly chosen logo becomes part of your store's visual theme. Once selected, click on Select. And now, simply choose the same logo image you uploaded earlier. Double-check your selection, and when you're satisfied, click Done one last time. And that's it. You've successfully added your logo to your Shopify store. Just a few clicks and some simple navigation is all it takes to give your store a more personalized, branded look. Remember to periodically review your store's settings and appearance to ensure everything aligns with your evolving brand identity. By following these quick steps, your logo will not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your store, but also solidify your brand's presence online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful.